Welcome to our continuing series on the Viewpoint Hoster Review tool presented by Peritia Data Discovery. In this video, we will cover the review screen and some of its basics navigation. Please note that I've got this screen layout designed to mimic a similar layout in Summation. You may be familiar with Summation or another similar tool. Just be aware that you can design your screen just about any way you want. To our left, we have our source selector. A key trait of Viewpoint is the creation of individual review sets to be assigned to specific reviewers. This source selector allows the user to pick which set to work on. With my administrator permissions, I am showing all the review sets available. A typical reviewer will probably not see so many options. The set I've selected contains just over 5,600 documents. At the top of the screen, you see our menu bars, where you can access some screen and tool functions. As a result, you can see the various panels available to you. You can arrange the panels as you like and save the layout to match your particular workflow preferences. You can access the various analytic tools under the Tool menu item. We'll cover each of these tools in separate videos. The next bar shows the tagging status of the review set. For example, if you just want to see those documents that have not been marked yet, simply click. The remainder of the window is our main workspace with several open panels, including the Documents panel, the Document Review panel, the Tagging panel, and the Keyword panel. Let me discuss each of these in a little more detail. First, the Documents panel. It is much like the column view in Summation. As such, it can be a linear review tool. That is, you start at Document 1 and work your way down. The first thing that you'll notice is that the families are kept together. The parent is bolded. This is an option, and you can certainly turn this off. The total number of documents in the set are located in two areas, top and bottom. You can do a basic search, such as by extension, such as the word doc, which in this case will leave 845 documents. You can further filter, say by author. In this case we'll use Glinda, which reduces it to 12 documents. I could have also used the pick list and picked the author accordingly. I can clear all these searches and these filters by clicking on the X at the bottom window. You can add or delete columns as needed, deleting the hits column, and I can add columns by simply going to the field selector and incorporating a particular column. You can then export the information in this column view to Excel. That can be used for privilege lists or exhibit lists or however you want to set it up. The Excel file will include just the field shown at this particular time. Now let's look at the document viewer. To do that, I will also show you how to set your own layouts. Go to Views to open up the panel. Now I can move the window to wherever I want to on the screen. Notice the director and how the screen previews where the dock or where the panel will be. You can then save the layout if you wish. In the Document Viewer panel, you have 5 choices to view the document. Doc, as a software viewer would show it. Native, as the document would appear in its native format. Text, which has no formatting at all. HTML, and if the document had been previously imaged, a TIFF viewer. You can also highlight keywords, and these are words that are permanently highlighted based on some settings you set up when you first set up the case. Other options are available as part of production, which we'll cover in another video. The next panel we'll touch on is the tagging panel. At the top is a navigation aid you can use as you go through your documents. Below are the tags as they are established by you and your firm. It is very easy to mark just one document, or several. Also in this panel is the document notes, where comments about the documents are kept. In the bottom right of this screen are some keyword search screens. First, you enter some keywords. Software will show you how many keyword hits appear in the current doc set. You can then search further with a simple and/or filter. And as you can see, we've reduced this population from 5,600 documents down to about 2,000. With the View Keyword Hits panel, you can see how many hits occur in a single document. As you can see, Viewpoint offers powerful searching capability as a strictly linear review tool. However, its true power lies in the early case assessment tools and its other higher analytic tools, which we will discuss in other videos.